Ayan guys, may bunga ng aking beans. Pwede na itong harvestin while it's young. It's young at heart. Ayan. That is green beans. I have also yellow beans mixed together. I planted this part here is purple beans. May bunga na rin. Oh, harvestin ko ito mamaya. Ayan. Green beans, yellow beans, purple beans. There were 3 kinds. Oh, ayan, may bunga na siya, 'di ba? Maka-happy. Oh, may konsumo naman kita during winter season. Ako, dami ng bunga. Pwede nang harvestin. Ayan, para malambot. Ayan, maka-happy. Thanks for watching, guys. Love Nansky. So, mag-tour muna tayo sa garden dahil umulan. Basang-basa ang lupa. These are my kohlrabi. Hopefully makalaman bago mag-change ang weather. Sarap siya. Pwede siyang isalad, iluto, or hindi iluto. Ayan. Oh, may laman-laman na siya guys. Ayan, di ba? Maka-happy. Ayan. Sana makalaman bago lamig ang weather. Hanggang end of the month, malamig na ang weather dito. Mag-change weather na sa Canada. Ayan, thanks for watching guys. Love Nansky. I will harvest my balatong today. Kain muna ako ng lunch bago mag-harvest ng bunga. Yan. May pang konsumo naman kita. May pang freezer naman kita ng beans. Konsumo for winter season. Love Nansky.